Hello, I'm Jack L. Kennan. Here I'm going to show how to publish a book on Amazon Kindle. So why Amazon.com? If you want to be a successful global author, Amazon's ebook market is the right place. Amazon is a marketing and advertising machine. Once you start selling a certain number of copies, it refers your ebook to others who have never seen of you. What we need before publishing it on Amazon Kindle. 1. You need a valid MOBI or AZW file for the best results and to avoid rejection of ebook by Amazon Kindle. If you don't have that format, then we strongly recommend you to convert those format using the professional formatting service provider. See the video description for links. 2. Cover image, height-width ratio of 1:6:1. This means that for every 1000 pixels in width, the image should be 1600 pixels in height. To ensure the best quality for your image, particularly on high-definition devices, the height of the image should be at least 2500 pixels. Ideal dimensions for cover files are 2560 × 1600 pixels. Why Word or PDF file is not recommended for Amazon Kindle. It does not look good and it won't contain any formatting, no table of contents, your chapters will all run together without page breaks. Also, it does not include navigable index, active links to websites or sales page, email address, etc. Here are the 6 great steps to upload ebook on Amazon Kindle. 1. Go to kdp.amazon.com and sign in. You'll need to create a separate username and password for this services even if you have a regular Amazon online account. 2. Click on Bookshelf and then choose Kindle eBook in the Create a New Title section. This should be located on the web page after you sign in. Your bookshelf is where all of your ebooks will be located in the potential future. If you want to edit the text or alter the price, you'll do it from the bookshelf. 3. Fill up all necessary info about your book. Select the ebook language. Enter the book title here. If you have any subtitles for your ebook, then type it here. Fill out all the relevant informations like series numbers, edition numbers, author or publisher name, contributors. A detailed description of your book, with maximum of 4,000 characters. If you have the full rights on your ebook, then simply choose the first option, and suppose, if the book is the part of the public domain, then choose the second one. Use keywords to identify your setting, character types, display themes, and story tone. Select the appropriate category. Look at other successful books in your category on Kindle to get an option of what works. Choosing an age range will improve the discoverability of books. Choosing a grade are based on U.S. grade levels. If you want to publish your ebook now, then choose the first one. You can make your new ebooks available for pre-order in Kindle stores worldwide. Four. Upload your ebook and cover file. Select a Digital Rights Management (DRM) option. Locate your MOBI or AZW file and wait until your book has been successfully uploaded. Click Upload eBook. Upload the cover file in JPEG format and wait until your book has been successfully uploaded. Preview your ebook to make sure your converted file looks good in Kindle format by clicking Preview Book. ISBN is not required here, and Amazon.com will assign it a 10-digit ASIN, which is unique to the ebook, and is an identification number for the Kindle book. Click Save and Continue. 5. Choose worldwide rights and fixture price. You want to make sure to select this option. It doesn't cost you anything. Confirm your sale price. Price it between $2.99 and $9.99 for the 70% royalty. We already discussed about the pricing strategy, and see the video description to check out the links. 6. Final steps. If you want to enroll your book in Matchbook, then enable this option. Want your customers to lend your Kindle ebook, then use this option. Check to confirm you agree to the terms and condition. Click Publish your Kindle ebook. The publishing process takes approximately 24 hours to complete while populating to the Kindle store. Thank you. Have any questions? Comment it here. Please subscribe.